Good after we all, and day after Chimeras, the Lowender Peran. This year, Lowender Peran is online, lots of different events going on, and I am here to introduce this year's Rakka. Lots of interesting bands. Our first band is Teylu. Teylu is Molly and Harriet. Molly Bisco, we know, of course. She'd been locked down with her father, who was no stranger to the festival, Bert Bisco. He'd been helping keep music alive with Digic Acustica in Truro. They recently recorded a soundtrack for an independent Cornish language film called Mowers, a film by a filmmaker called Briar Flanders, to be released at Christmas time. And they're now busy recording some new tracks in the best ever shed in progress. Right, here we have Molly Bisco and Teylu.
I'm not sleeping right, my head rolls over to the side, and something wakes me up inside, a butterfly in my heart. I open my eyes, but not completely. Too much light will stop my dreaming through the night, and that's my favorite part. And my voice is hoarse every morning, and of course in my own mind I can't find sunlight to start my day, some words that I can say, and someone to say them to, some truth to light my way, some proof that I'm okay, and some peace when the day is through. When I lay my head down, let me stay dreaming bound all night long, all night long. I've befriended the night, so where I get to see the light, I work all day, so every night my mind can come alive. Every hour that's mine I fill with magic so divine, and my heart's working overtime to keep me in sublime. And my voice is hoarse every morning, and of course in my only mind I can't find sunlight to start my day, some words that I can say, and someone to say them to, some truth to light my way, some proof that I'm okay, and some peace let me stay dreaming bound all night long. All night long. All night long.
Miraz Molly Bisco. Now we have a regular friend of the festival, Mark Lawrence. They've been coming to the festival with his family now for many, many years and performed various groups in the Isle of Man. He's now performing as a solo artist and just released his first album on Bandcamp. Here we have Mark Lawrence. Now, we'd like to introduce you to our last group for this Lowender Peran special Rakka of 2020. And this is Brother C. Brother C, a southwest-based Celtic folk band that brings together the acclaimed duo Harbottle and Jonas with the award-winning songwriter Chris Lannan and the unmistakable fiddle tones of Annie Bayliss on fiddle. Here we are, Brother C.
Feel the warm September sun, fluorescent fires no longer burn. Kiss my skin for it is torn from a hiding place to be born. While I kneel, stand quietly, a glass reflects the poetry. A candle's flame still it flickers, casting shadows full of wonders, full of wonders. Casting shadows full of wonders, full of wonders, full of wonders. Casting shadows full of wonder. Cut the grass off the plastic rain, if only I can take the pain. See within those precious eyes, bruised clouds and autumn skies. Tell me with acrylic color, deep haze gray, hold this other part of me I long to be. With the wind, this sister, running free, running free. With the wind, this sister, running free, running free, running free. With the wind, this sister, running free. is worn out in me. All I ask is to dwell at peace in September's swell. Steer my gaze out to sea, proclaim what is worn out. All I ask is to dwell at peace in September's swell. What is worn out in me. All I ask is to dwell at peace in September's swell. Steer my gaze out to sea, proclaim what is worn out. All I ask is to dwell at peace in September's swell.
Miraz, brother C. Well, there it is. That's our Rakka online for Lowender Peran 2020. Lots more fantastic items around over the weekend. Look out through our website or on Facebook. That